If you're having trouble logging into X or Twitter and you keep seeing an error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. These issues are usually caused by a bad browser cache, an extension conflict, a VPN or proxy block, or sometimes an account security check that needs to be completed. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to test whether the problem is your browser session. Open an Incognito window if you're using Chrome or Edge by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N. If you're on Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and P. This opens a clean browsing session with no saved cookies or active extensions getting in the way. Now type x.com into the address bar and try signing in again. If the login works in Incognito, that's a strong sign the issue is with your normal browser data, not your account itself. If Incognito worked, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes for X login problems because old or corrupted stored data can stop the login page from loading properly. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data is selected, along with cached images and files. Once that's checked, click Clear Data. After the process finishes, fully restart your browser and try logging in on X again using your regular window. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to do is turn off your browser extensions. Extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and security add-ons, can interfere with the scripts X uses to verify your login. Click the three-dot menu or the puzzle piece icon in the top right of your browser, then go to Extensions and Manage Extensions. From there, switch every extension off temporarily. Once all extensions are disabled, refresh the X login page and try again. If the login works now, you found the cause, and you can turn your extensions back on one by one to identify which one was blocking the sign-in process. Another common reason for X login errors is an active VPN or proxy. X can sometimes block sign-ins coming from VPN servers, especially if the IP address looks unusual or changes too often. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it completely and reload the page. If you're using a proxy through your system or browser, turn that off as well. Then try logging in again with your normal internet connection. In many cases, just removing the VPN is enough to restore access right away. If none of those steps work, the next move is to trigger a password reset. Sometimes your session can become out of sync, or the account may need a fresh authentication check. Go to x.com and enter your username, email address, or phone number. Then click Search or continue to the recovery flow. Follow the prompts to reset your password and verify your identity. Even if you already know your password, forcing a reset can refresh the account session and clear login issues that seem stuck. You should also check your account status. Sometimes the login problem is not caused by the browser at all, but by a temporary restriction, lockout, or verification request on the account itself. If you can access any part of your profile, try logging out first and then signing back in. Click your profile menu and choose Log Out, then return to the sign-in page and test it again. If X tells you that your account is locked, follow the on-screen instructions, select Start, and enter your phone number if prompted so you can receive a verification code and unlock the account. At this point, one of these fixes should have solved the issue. The key is to test in order. First Incognito, then clear cache, then disable extensions, then disconnect VPN, and finally check password recovery or account restrictions. That sequence helps you narrow down the exact cause without wasting time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and share it with anyone else having the same X login problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.